Hello, students. So we are now moving to the unit number 5. It is social issues and the environment. So in this, the first topic we are going to discuss about sustainable development and the environment. So what is sustainable development? The topic is the need of the hour. Meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future need to meet their own needs. Yes, the definition was given by Britain Land Commission in 1987. Yes, so we have, for example, I will explain with an example. So there is an coal available in our earth. See, after 1,000 years, what happens? Or after 100 years or 200 years, what will happen? The entire crude oil or coal get reduced, and the resource will exhaust. Then what is the situation? Our future generation will face some difficulty in producing the energy and using these crude oil like materials. So, our aim is to utilize these resources without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. So, we should not deplete, we should keep in mind about our future generations. So, what is sustainability? Yeah, I know that the possibility that human or other form of life on earth will flourish. So the sustainable development, it has been developed after that in Johannesburg meeting. That is the Johannesburg UNICEF meeting. We call it as a Rio plus 10 meeting. So in Johannesburg it happened. Before that, Rio de Janeiro happened. So the sustainable development has been done here. So the components of sustainable development is major three factors. One is social, that is society, which is health, safety, and friendly, and environment, then economic. So all these three will overlap in an area. We call it as sustainability. So we have to keep in mind energy efficiency, low environmental impact, and that should be healthy and safety to the people, user friendly also. So there are certain indicators of sustainable development. So the sustainable development indicators have been developed by United Nations organization. So some factors are poverty, particularly income poverty, income inequality, sanitation, drinking water, and so there are a lot of other health indicators. So these should be developed in some future. That's why the sustainable developmental goals has been listed by the United Nations organization. SD goals, sustainable development goals. All this includes health, safety, environmental, gender inequality, reducing the gender inequality, and poverty alleviation, etc. So, in the sustainable development, we have to resist these things, and resistance stability should be there. Remain stable to face the stress from the environment and the ability of the system to cover the disturbances. So, what are the characters of sustainable development? How can we maintain the sustainable development? How can we develop these concepts and implement? The first thing is developing an appropriate technology so that we can utilize the resources in a proper manner. Next, reduce, reuse, and recycle of natural resources. 3R, providing environmental education, awareness, consumption of renewable resources other than utilizing the non-renewable resources, and we have to conserve the non-renewable resource. Population control. So these things are the characters of sustainable developments. So thank you. We'll meet in the next class.